Not particularly, more of a gut decision. I think all our focus is getting back to playing the cricket we know we can play, and this is going to be a great occasion against a top team, and hopefully today will be the day we bring our best.
We know what's happened in the last 3 weeks, but you are the world champions. You'll be playing for pride today.
Yeah, absolutely. We haven't done ourselves justice, but the longer that sort of stuff goes on, I feel like the closer you are to coming out the other side. So today we want to put up a really good show, like you say, play with a lot of pride. Playing in front of a full house here against India in a World Cup is going to be a special occasion, and we need to rise to that.
And sometimes knowing a target might be handy.
Yeah, absolutely. Look, we know that whatever we've done first so far this tournament, we haven't done it to the best of our abilities. Today, the gut decision I said is to bowl first, and hopefully we can bring our best.
And what's your combination for today?
We're going to go with the same team.
Enjoy it, Josh.
Thank you.
Rohit, what would you have done winning the toss?
Yeah, we wanted to bat first. We've had good time batting second. Was a good opportunity for us to bat. But yeah, looks like a good pitch. Obviously, it's a new surface that has been relayed here. We saw a couple of games here. Played quite nice all through 100 overs. So yeah, we don't mind batting first.
Sometimes in a long format like this, it's good to put yourselves in different positions, especially where you stand in the table now.
Yeah, it's quite important to think like that, but also, important to play well and get those 2 points. Whatever it takes to do that, we got to do that. So so far it's been good. We played some really good cricket. So we hope that we continue, where we left in the last game.
Now, you've had a 1 week break. Your thoughts on that? Is it too long, or do you prefer shorter breaks?
No, sometimes it's nice to have a break, after playing those 5 games. It was quite hectic, to be honest, the first 5 games that we played. But it's always nice to have that break, reassess where we stand, what we did right, what we did wrong. You get that time to do that. Guys don't mind that break, but it's nice to come out here now and, get back to business.
And your combination today, what's your side?
Yeah, we're playing the same team that we played the last game.
Have a good one, Rohit.
Thank you.
Well, that's the news from the centre. It's England who won the toss, and they've decided to bowl first.